over here you guys to see that I've created this PayPal account in this video you are going to watch, and you have to see the way it's looking and everything in details. So I'm going to show you right away how you guys to create your own working PayPal account and start receiving money in it in anywhere or any part of the world where it's being restricted. Only what you have to do is to watch to the end of the video for you to see how to do that and how you guys to have your own working PayPal account and start receiving international payments for your online business. So let's go. Well, I've been receiving a message that a lot of you guys have been complaining that you do not know how to create a PayPal account in Nigeria or some other country that being restricted from using PayPal. And I was bothered because I have done these several videos on my channel and none of you, I don't know, maybe you guys don't watch it. So I decided to make the last video about how to create a PayPal account in restricted country. So if you are here and this is what you are looking for, definitely this video will help you to bypass this process and make you create your PayPal account. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here in my screen, I'm going to go over to paypal.com, but there is one particular stuff we are going to use. We are going to change region due to the restriction in those countries that are being restricted from using PayPal. Every country have their own region which can be used to identify which particular person and where the person is coming from. So since we can do travel and you can go over to other countries, we can use this actual country called Dubai. We are going to use Dubai region in order to create this PayPal account. So if you go over to your browser, simply type in paypal.com/AE/business. So there are two types of PayPal account. They have business and personal account. So I will advise you to use business account while creating your PayPal. So right now I got to click on enter. So when you click on enter, you guys see it will take us to this actual place. Then what you have to do now is to sign up to your account. So you have to do what? Click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it will take you to this actual place. Then you have to choose your business account. Choose as business account. Then when I click on that, then it will do security challenge. Then you have to put in your security by verifying your security challenge. Then click on verify. It will definitely take you to this place where you guys to input your email. So I'm going to choose one of the email I have in the list. So I'm going to use this my email, passive income, because the other one I've used it. Then I have to put in my password. Then I have to click on continue. Then when you continue, to show you this actual place, business contacts, your legal name, your legal last name. So I'm going to put in my legal name, then my legal last name, then my business legal business name, then this is the phone number. You are going to use your own phone number in this process. In my former video I say you should choose a random phone number, but in this actual place we are going to use our main phone number. So here is Nigeria. I'm going to put that. Let me get my phone number. I think I have my phone number here. 61. Okay. So this is it. I'm going to put in the address, IPOP address, Emirates. So this here is where you guys to do this process, your PO box and this thing. So what you have to do is to go over to your search browser and type in random Dubai address, because it's Emirates, which is AE. So you have to put in that and go over to the first one, random address, then choosing the actual address, which is address PO number, which is this. Copy this number, go to the stuff to paste that PO box, the number, additional information, Emirates, city is Dubai, is Dubai, then Dubai, city Dubai, Emirates Dubai. Then click on agree to their terms and policy. You have to see we are bypass that describe your business. You can go here and click in individual and sole proprietorship, entry individual, industrial products, painting. So you can choose any time share. Let me just choose that. Then click on continue. Here is where you guys to put in your bet. 6th June. Don't know my name, don't know it, my year, I will bypass here. Then my identity number, which is my national identity number, which is Nigeria. I had to put in Nigeria as my country, Nigeria. Then put in the number 1120. Then click on submit. Already exists. Then I had to click there. You have to see that finally we have our PayPal account working perfectly well here. So let me show you what you guys to do. We may confirm information on PayPal, accurate, notice on suspicious activities. You can go over here to, because I've used this my national identity number, that's why I say this, so I can confirm that by confirming my identity. Can link in your card, debit card, which is this, your debit card. Can link in your bank, link on your bank in here. So this is it, and you have to see it's working perfectly well. You can go over here to confirm your email address in here. You can confirm that there, and you have to see our PayPal is definitely working, and everything. You can start using it to withdraw money online in your various country. And that's it for today's video. I know this very video is very thoughtful and valuable to you guys, and if you really like this and you liked what I'm teaching you guys, kindly appreciate by liking this video so that it will recommend to people that are looking for ways to create PayPal accounts, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to be able to get notified when I drop a new video like this in my channel. Comment what you thought. I noticed that a lot of you guys do not comment. What you do is like and watch. Please comment. It enables me to know that what I'm doing is really working for people and people are getting value on it. Please, it's very important. Try to comment. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you and peace out.